Welcome to the MozyHome tutorials.
To complete a web restore, you must first select the files that you want to be restored and give Mozy the time to build the restore. This tutorial takes you through the steps involved in downloading the files to your computer. If you have not already selected files to restore and received confirmation that the request has been completed, you will need to do this first. For help with this, take a look at the Selecting Files for Web Restore tutorial. Once the restored files are ready for download and you receive an email from support@mozy.com indicating that your restore request is completed, you can start the restore download. Click the link mozy.com/account/restores included in the email. Your internet browser opens. For large downloads, you should use a web browser such as Firefox that has a download manager which automatically resumes downloading if your download is interrupted. Enter your email address and password, then click Login. Your MozyHome account homepage appears. The Restores page opens, showing details of the web restores such as when it was requested, the number of files, and their combined size. The status will indicate Ready for Download. Click Download, select Save File, and click OK. The files are downloaded to your computer, and depending on the number of files and the size of these files, this might take a while. When these files are fully downloaded, double-click the Restores zip file in the Downloads window. You will need to have an appropriate application loaded on your computer to unzip the files. WinRAR or WinZip are two applications that unzip the files for you. If one of these applications is loaded on your computer, it opens automatically and you can now unzip or extract the files. Unlike with an in-client restore, a web restore does not put the restored files back in their original location. Instead, the files will all be put into one location that you must specify. Once the files are downloaded to this location, you can then move the files to a different location on your computer. Click the folder name C: and click Extract to. A window similar to Windows Explorer opens, and you can navigate to the location to which you want to place the restored files on your computer. We're going to restore the files to a folder on the C drive called Web Restore. Double-click on C, and then click the New Folder icon. A new folder is created, and it is highlighted, letting you change its name. Type Web Restore. Click the folder Web Restore. The destination path field shows the destination folder for the files, that is, C:\web restore. As there are no other files in the destination folder, you don't need to change the default selection for update mode or overwrite mode. Click OK. The restored files are saved to the destination folder. Open Windows Explorer and navigate to C:\web restore. A folder called C has been created there. This folder contains all the files and folders that you restored. However, they are not in the folders on the C drive that they were originally backed up from. You now need to move the files back into their original folders. You have successfully restored your data using a web restore. Thanks for joining us for this tutorial. For other information and other tutorials, please visit us at support.mozy.com.